Hello and welcome to Around the House with Randy Meeks. Today we're going to be talking about a vacuum sealer. Actually, it's a mason jar vacuum sealer. I've had this one right here for a couple of years, same company as my new one. First time around I couldn't afford the Hot Rod Red because it was more expensive. Right now they're actually on sale. I think no matter what color you get, they're like $23, right? But these things work so great. You can do your small jars here. This one was done in 1120, still sealed down really well. Or you can do the larger wide mouth jars by simply just taking this off, or actually taking it off for the wide mouth, just slipping it right on top there. I'll turn to where you guys can see it, and you just push it like that and just wait 30 seconds. The reason I like the newer version is because the older version, it worked great and still works great, but it was a little hard to get off once the sealing was done. This one right here, when you press stop, like say about 30 seconds, it's actually facing the wrong way. At about 30 seconds you push stop, it will lift off the jar. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it comes off so easy now. Before, it was a little difficult to get off, but it still worked just fine. The great part about it is, I believe this one right here, we did a test on it and I lost count about 186. But on one charge, it only went down to about 76%. So if you do the math, what is that? Right around 800 to 1,000 jars on one charge. Okay, that is a lot. And it comes with this little cord here. It's a micro cord, and it just plugs in just like that right there, and then you plug it into your USB, and I'll link this down below also along with these items. But yeah, and it just charges up there. I've used it quite a bit since I charged it up, and it's only down to 94%. But yeah, this thing is great. And I always throw an oxygen absorber in there just to make sure, you know, it stays sealed. But here is something, let me run and grab it real quick. It's something I had never tried before. So because of the other vacuum sealers, whatever, you can't do anything wet inside of a jar. But I said, hey, what's the difference between, like, say, this and this is how it comes on the shelf, right? And not like this, but it's vacuum sealed, because when you open the jar, it pops, right? So this salsa, as we got through using it, I put a lid on there and sucked it down, and this has been let's see, today is what, the 15th, 16th? We've done this back on the 10th, still sealed down. And now, instead of going in the fridge, it can go back on the shelf. Isn't that pretty cool? All right. I don't know, as far as health-wise and all that, whatever, my kitchen, my rules, you know, your kitchen, your rules. All right. But yeah, that's something I just learned or whatever, and it's so awesome. But yeah, you can do large mouth jars or your regular size. And like I said, once it's charged up, you don't have to recharge it for, I mean, probably a good month, and you know, you would be good to go. But yeah, there it is. It's the electronic mason jar sealer, and like I said, I got the Hot Rod Red, and right now they're on sale for like $23.99, I believe, and I'll link that below along with this gadget here. And yeah, it's normally $30, but yeah, still they're on sale right now. I guess you know, coming up for Thanksgiving and Christmas. But yeah, I love this thing. This is so great. But yeah, run and grab you one, or actually click the link below, and that will actually help support our channel and help us in production of more videos. All right, we sure do appreciate you, and like I said, thank you so much for watching us. You have no idea how much we appreciate you guys tuning in and watching our videos. But thank you very much. Give us a follow and click that thumbs up button, and we will see you around the house.